How to use Rocket Money like a pro. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Rocket Money like a pro, especially when it comes to managing your bills and budgets. So here, if you're tired of surprise charges or want to stay on the top of your finances with ease, this is the app that you will need. So here, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out on more personal finance tips. So now without further ado, let's get started. So step 1, that is to set up the Rocket Money. So here, simply first go ahead and download the Rocket Money app from the App Store or Google Play Store. And now here, once installed, simply sign in or log in. And here, once you're logged in, simply securely connect your blank account and credit card. And after that, Rocket Money will automatically pull in your transaction, subscriptions, and bills. So here, just a pro tip, don't skip the linking process because it will allow Rocket Money to do all the smart work for you. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to track and manage bills. So here, once you have done logging in to the Rocket Money, simply go to the Bills tab, and here Rocket Money automatically detects recurring charges like Netflix, phone bills, or insurance payments. And here you'll see due dates, monthly amounts, history of payments. So here you can tap on any bills to get more insights and even set reminders so you can never miss a payment again. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to set up a smart budget. So here, go ahead to the budget section and now simply click on create a budget and choose the categories like groceries, dining out, utilities, etc. And after that, Rocket Money will analyze your spending and suggest smart limits based on your income and past spending habits. So here, just a pro tip, you can set spending alerts so you are notified when you are close to going over budget. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to customize and automate. So here, if you want more control, just tap on the settings, and after that, simply click on categorize transaction. You can rename the subscriptions, you can turn on the automatic alerts, and you can even link new accounts. And here, don't forget to set a financial goals, whether it's saving $1,000 or paying off a credit card. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to use insights like a pro. So here, simply head over to the Insight tab, and this gives you a visual breakdown of your income versus spending, trends over time, and where your money is really going. So this is where the real magic happens. So here, Rocket Money acts like your personal finance analyst. And here, just a pro feature highlight, the app flags unusual charges and lets you dispute them, which is super helpful if you miss a refund or get double charged. And that's it. That's how you can use a Rocket Money like a pro to manage your bills and budget. It's smart, it's easy, and honestly, it can save a lot of your time and money. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.